एक किक बॉक्सिंगाच्या हातून भितर तांणी आज जे पळय जे दाखयलां आनी गोंया खातीर प्राऊड टॉप गोल्ड मेडल तांच्यांनी हाडलें आनी त्याच बरोबर 17 टायम्स ते नॅशनल इंटरनॅशनल चॅम्पियन हे फक्त स्टेट न्ही नॅशनल न्ही इंटरनॅशनल चॅम्पियन आनी प्राऊडली ते आमच्या गोंयचे म्हाकाय बी अभिमान दिसता कारण ते पणजेचे हांगा खंय ते खंय तरी फातोर्डेचे काय ते खंय तरी केन्ना तरी आमचे खंय वोटर बिटर अशें कांयच नासतना आनी कसलेच म्हणजे हें नासतना आड कांय नासतना मदीं केन्ना तुजो वोटरूच आसा काय किंवा तुका मडगांवानूच लागता काय तुजी सयऱ्यात आसा काय असलें कांयच नासतना एक म्हज्या गोंयकार आनी गोंयचे एक ही भुरगीं दोगूय जाणां ज्या तरेन आपलो झेंडो फुडें व्हरत आसा ताका सपोर्ट करप हें आमचें कर्तव्य आसा हांवें ताका जो मदत दिली ताका लागून ती थँक्यू म्हणपाक आनी त्याच बरोबर तें मेडल दाखोवपाक गेलें पण तरी पण तांकां आनीकय खूब तेजें फुडें वचपा खातीर त्रास जाता त्या खातीर तांची भेट जी आसा ती मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन करून तांकां अशें कितें करूंक मेळटा जेणे करून तांचें लायफ वेवस्थीत जातलें तांचें शिक्षणूय वेवस्थीत जातलें पण त्याच बरोबर तांकां ह्या व्हडल्यो ज्यो इंटरनॅशनल गेम्स आसा ते पळोवपाक त्रास जावचो ना हाजी काळजी घेतली गेली वतली आनी त्या खातीर तांच्या भविश्या खातीर तांकां यश हांव दिता आनी म्हजे पर्यंत जितली मदत जाता ती हांव तांकां करपाचो प्रयत्न.
Hello everyone, I'm Erika Sequeira and I'm 16 years old and I'm an international martial art player. I train at ACS Goa. It is in Kadamba Plateau, Old Goa. And I've been training martial arts since I was 7 and now I'm 16, so I've been training for so many years. And I train under my coach, Ronak Singh, in his academy. And I train MMA, I train kickboxing, jiu-jitsu as well, and not forgetting my origin of martial arts, TMD, Thongamoto. And this is my sister with me, even she trains the same as I do.
So which event you participated recently?
Recently I participated in the WMC state ranking series and title belt which was held at Boxing Hall Pedem and I won the gold medal. I had 2 fights to win the gold and both my partners were from different states. So I won by referee's decision and one I won with the technical knockout. I met sir regarding my sporting career so that he can help me, he can recognize me more at a larger scale and help me to financial support as well so that I can do better and perform better in my sports and get more medals to my country and state as well.
So you have participated on international level also?
Yes, I have. I'm a 17-time international player. I have represented my country again and again. I am really proud and grateful to represent my country through martial art and show the world that what Indians can do.
So what was the assurance given by Ramu Naik?
He said yes, that he will support me in my sporting career. He will also recognize me and yes, he is also doing as well, recognizing me to different people. And yes, he has also supported me financially.
So how difficult it is being to play as a kickboxing? What are the difficulties you are facing? Exactly.
First of all, I represent Goa where martial art is not that much popular, not that much famous. But still, I am getting support. There are many people who are, following me, who are liking me, who are sending me messages that yes, you can do it. We are proud of you and all of that. Secondly, it gets really hard because we don't have a proper infrastructure. Because I train more than one martial art, so we need a proper infrastructure for, not only me but the other martial artists as well. Thirdly, it gets a little hard because financial support, it is one of the major problems. Not only with me but all the athletes throughout the country. So these are some problems I face.
How many medals you brought?
Oh, that's I need to really sit and count, but I have 20 plus medals internationally and nationally as well.